Hi friends, today let's see how to make an ultimate juicy chicken roast. This recipe is an excellent choice if you want to try it with fried rice, chapathi, ghee rice, and so on. Shallots is the star ingredient of this recipe. I have used a chopper in order to save the cooking time. When onion is cut into small pieces, the onion cooks faster. Let's marinate the chicken. So before that we can prepare the masala which is required for the marination. So this is a very simple marination. We're using 1 tablespoon chili powder, some salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil which will enhance the taste, but it is completely optional. Now let's add the chicken into the bowl and mix it well. Add lime juice. So let's marinate the chicken and keep it for at least 30 minutes. You can even keep it in the refrigerator but not in the freezer. To the kadai, let's add some oil for frying the chicken. So let's fry the chicken in batches. Friends, this recipe is very easy and you can even try it as a starter and serve during any small parties. Only time consuming part is frying the chicken and peeling the small onions. Other than that, this is very easy but so delicious that even you can try in some small events. Let's remove the excess oil after frying the chicken because we are going to use the same oil for making the masala for the roast. So once the oil is heated, let's add some dry chili and curry leaves. Let's saute it. Let the flavor infuse into the oil. These are small tips which is going to take your dish to the next level. Then you have to add ginger garlic paste. Here I missed this step, so it is better to add ginger garlic paste initially, and once the raw flavor is gone you can add the shallots chopped into small pieces. So followed by the spices, some chili powder, and here even I am using chili flakes. So you can decide how much salt and the spice you're going to add, because even tomato sauce will have a little bit of salt. So you can decide according to your taste level how much spice and the salt you should add. So chili flakes, if you're giving to kids or babies, then you can just minimize the spice initially when we are marinating the chicken, and the chili flakes which you are adding, you can accordingly you can manage it. Friends, another tip for this recipe is roast the onion very well. So there are two key factors in that. So when you're roasting the masalas and the onion, the both are cooked very well and the raw flavor disappears. So these are certain small tips which will increase the flavor of the recipe. Here I have added ginger garlic paste, but I suggest you to add As soon as the oil is heated, you can add the red chili, curry leaves, and followed by ginger garlic paste. Here I have added some more oil, because whenever you feel the masala is getting stuck on the pan, then you can add either oil or some hot water. Both you can get the same result. So here you can find the onion is very well cooked. You can identify that when the oil is released from the onion. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. If you want, you can add more tomato sauce according to your taste level. Now the masala is ready. Let's add the fried chicken into it. Now let's mix and coat the masala very well with the chicken. I have added half cup of hot water, so the masala will very well mix with the chicken. So let's mix it well. You can find the onion has very well become a paste, so it is very well incorporated into the chicken. So this is the reason I said you have to roast the onion very well, so the recipe is going to be really delicious. Here finally I'm adding some curry leaves in order to enhance the taste and the look. Friends, I hope you all are gonna try this recipe. If you would like to support me in my journey, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. Thank you for watching the video.